Hey, we're back with another math video, and today I'm going to be discussing about the application of trigonometric ratios in real life. I'm going to do a visual demonstration and presentation, and this topic will tackle on like how to measure stuff in real life, like how tall a building is, how tall is something. Yeah, we're going to go through that, and I'll show it in this video. What you're looking at right now is called a clinometer. It's used to measure elevations or angles from the ground or above. So basically, use it to measure the height of stuff. You could get this stuff online or anywhere. You could also make them homemade. I'll link a video on how to make them on the description. But yeah, I made mine. Oh, and I forgot to mention, credits to Airbaldo. He helped me with this thing, and we also live in the same building, so if you have the same answers, please don't be sus. The first thing you do once you have the clinometer is measure the height of the object. In my case, I measured my building, and the measurements that I got of the height were 60 degrees. Next, you find the distance of where you measured the angle, and the results I got were 33 feet. And our x would be the building itself. And this is where our lesson comes in.
It's solving time!
Now that we're done with our measurements, all that's left is to solve. And this is where the explaining starts. We're going to solve this using the tangent because the angle 60 degrees, its opposite side is x, and the adjacent side is 33. Try to remember the use of the three acronyms SO, KA, TOA, as we'll be using of them later on, which is TOA. TOA means opposite over adjacent. That's how we're going to get the formula that we have here right now. Now, we actually solve. First thing we have to do is leave x alone, and then multiply both sides by 30.
33.
After that, we are now left with 30 times tangent 60 equals x.
Now, with the help of a scientific calculator, do it on degrees by the way,
We get our answers 57.2 feet.
however, we're still missing something, which is my height. We have to count my height from the ground up to the eye level, which is the missing height. And I've measured my height, and it's 5.3 meters. Add them together and bam.
The answer is 62.5 feet. That's how tall the building is.
I hope you learned from this. I'd be surprised if you did, but thank you for watching.